Hi guys, so today I am going to see a friend and we're gonna go eat, and then my best friend is coming from Vegas today to spend the weekend and some other days here, and then we'll see how that goes. Today I woke up very late at 12 p.m. and I had some food, but other than that I've done nothing but walk the dog and do some stuff online. But yeah, here I go. Hi.
Hi YouTube.
Bitch.
Hi Instagram.
Hi Instagram.
Hi Snapchat. Hi Vine.
Go. Vine.
Hi.
The fuck? What's Vine?
Vine is a very cool app. A lot
Okay.
of the young kids like to use it.
So we're gonna go eat. Say it.
I'm too distracted.
Just say
You're
it.
distracting me.
Just say it.
We're gonna go eat food. Oh,
Whale.
with my double chin.
You know, in my last video,
I can't see.
Whale. You know, in this video that I put up yesterday, I like cut some stuff out because my double chin was like super prominent. So I was like,
same. I would do this.
No, I'm like this. No, I'm gonna shoot like this.
Hey, this is actually how I look all the time.
I'm like, hi guys.
What's
So what are we
good?
gonna eat? What are we gonna eat?
I'm letting you decide.
Bitch.
It's whatever you want. You know, I actually saw a Snapchat earlier. My friends are eating at this place. I don't know if you've heard of it. I don't know if you were interested in it, but it's called Korean BBQ.
Bitch, no.
Hi.
Oh, this is my song. Oh, wait. Oh.
Too bad you can't hear it because, yeah, it's copyrighted.
Stop! Stop!
Maybe. Oh.
Like Eskimos.
Hey, what's-
Everybody knows.
Name your favorite Eskimo. Follow him on Instagram at Eat with Adrian. Oh, sorry, that's my Instagram.
Bitch.
Oh,
Slay
okay.
that plug.
We're here.
We're live. We are not live.
Oh.
We're here because we're thirsty cows. So we're halfway through our meal.
Oh, what
Kind
makes you
of.
think this is halfway?
Isn't it?
No, we're just getting started, my friend.
I think I matched the workers. I matched the workers with my shirt.
Oh, do you work here? Oh, can you give me more water, please? Oh.
Bitch.
What'd you call me?
So we're kind of. This bitch wants to talk to my manager. Oh, look at it. We match. We match. We match. How are you? On a scale from 1 to 10. You're at 10? I'm at 11 right now. Alright, so we're done. Look.
Shut the front door.
Shut the front door. I'm so full right now. The salt.
Hey guys.
Hi guys, I'm here getting boba now.
I still have a double chin even at this angle.
Someone got cookies. I got cookies.
Alright, your cookies are better.
Remember? Bitch.
Hey. Hey YouTube. Hi Vine. Hi Instagram. Oh. So what's up? What's up? Alright. Can you suck any harder?
Christmas balls. just caught the girl behind, or the guy behind licking.
Really? Was he licking?
Mm-hmm.
Oh look, we should have talked to her. See if she was interested in being in the vlog.
This is the end of the vlog.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to
My channel.
we
Go
put out
check
new
out-
videos.
Go check out his Instagram at Eat with
No,
Adrian.
don't. I don't want you to follow me. I just don't.
All right, well, don't follow him.
Thank you.
Just follow me. Check out my
If you
social.
watch
Check out my
trash like this, don't follow me.
Check out my social media links at the bottom and
And who's gonna watch?
block him.
Who's-
Don't
who-
just not follow him. Block him. Okay.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Is it my turn to say something?
Go ahead.
All right.